How to set up automatic savings transfers in Ally Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to grow your savings without thinking about it, well here is how to set up automatic transfers in Ally Bank on desktop. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, then you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Ally Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Ally Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from your accounts overview, you can simply select the account you want to transfer from like your checkings and click transfers from the menu and choose recurring transfers and then pick your from account and your savings account as the destination. And after that, you just have to enter the transfer amount and select the frequency like weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and then choose the start date. And once you're done with that, you just have to review the transfer schedule and confirm your details and then click submit to activate the automatic savings plan. And with that, your transfer will now run on autopilot, helping your savings grow consistently. And that's it. That's how you can set up automatic savings transfers in Ally Bank Online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.